I'm Kimberly from the Adult Services Department at the Wayne County Public Library, Worcester Branch, and I am here today to show you how to make your own bath teas. The first thing we're going to do is take an empty tea bag, and these are heat seal. I'll show you at the end how you seal them. But we're going to do a relaxing tea first, and we're going to put lavender and chamomile and rose in our relaxing tea. So I've got my little baggies of herbs here, and I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of lavender and put it in my empty tea bag. Okay, now that I have 2 tablespoons of lavender, I'm going to take a tablespoon of chamomile, and I'm going to add that to the bag. And then I have these little tiny rose buds. You can also use rose petals. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of the rose buds as well to the mix. So this is our relaxing tea bag. Now I'm going to set this aside till the end, and then I'll show you how to seal both tea bags at one time. Okay, the next one is a rejuvenating tea bag, and we're going to use mint, rosemary, and juniper berries. And we are going to start with the mint, and we're going to add a tablespoon of mint. And your measurements don't have to be perfect while you're doing this, just in the general vicinity of. And then we've got a tablespoon of rosemary. And then the juniper berries, we're going to estimate about half a tablespoon of the juniper berries. They're stronger, so you don't want to put a whole tablespoon in. So I'm just going to kind of guess at half a tablespoon. And I'm going to add that to the bag. Okay, so now we have our rejuvenating tea. So I'm going to show you how to seal both of these up. We've got our relaxing and our rejuvenating. I have what is basically a hair straightener. You can also use an iron. Because these are heat sealed, they need a form of heat to seal them shut. So I'm going to use this handy dandy little hair straightener. And I like using this because it heats both ends at the same time. And I'm just going to apply this heat to my tea bag. And I'm going to count to about 10-15 seconds. Then I'm going to move down a little further and I'm going to press again. And I'm just going to keep doing that all the way down the tea bag. While I'm pressing this, let me tell you there are 2 ways to make your bath with these tea baths. You can take your tea and put it directly in your bath in your little tea bag here. Or if you want a stronger scented bath, you can take the tea bag, put it in a cup of water, and boil it, or pour boiling water in the cup on the tea bag, and let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then pour it in your bath. That'll give you a little stronger scent, but you can do it either way, whichever one works for you. If you're in a hurry, you can just throw the bag in the bathtub. And I'm just about done with sealing this one. And we're going to check to make sure that it is sealed shut. Yeah, see, it is sealed shut. The nice thing about these homemade ones is you know exactly what's in them. Thank you for joining me. I hope you get a chance to make your own bath tea and enjoy a wonderful bath sometime soon. Thank you and have a good day.